Frank Melloni, Renaissance Firearms Instruction here, continuing our coverage of the 2019 Big 3 East Media Day. We're here with Nick Goff from Spikes Tactical. He's the program director for military and LE sales. Tell us what we got here today.
So we have our 6.5 Creedmoor Roadhouse precision rifle. Take you from the front to the back. We start off with our 30 caliber R2 muzzle brake that's attached to a 22-inch Krieger precision barrel. We use a proprietary adjustable gas block. Coming back, we have our 15-inch rail system, which is attached to our Gen 2 billet receiver set with ambidextrous controls. Inside, we have a high-pressure bolt system, and it's all rigged up to an XLR Industries adjustable buttstock.
Nice. All right. So one of the things we get here at us, or at Big 3 East, is we have a 3-story tower. We're 2 stories up. We have full-size IPSC steel out at 800 yards. We're going to get some steel on, or get some lead on steel. See how she does. Good on the scope.
Fires up. Hit. Shot to go center of the neck.
Oh yeah. Wow. All right. We just put 7 rounds down there, 800 yards. Really crisp trigger. It's a Timney. It's about 2.5 pounds. Those 7 shots all landed pretty much centered on that IPSC. Through the optic, it looks like it's around a 6.5, maybe 7-inch group, something like that. The accuracy on this is amazing. You know, we are shooting good ammo, but it's still factory ammo. So I mean, I'd love to see what a hand load through this does. This thing is awesome, without a doubt. Let's get a few more down there. All right, everyone good? Let's hit it.
So you went just over the right shoulder.
Okay, so the wind's kind of dead down there.
Same exact spot as before.
Oh yeah.
About 2 inches above. Hit. Top left edge by the shoulder.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so that's 3 shots and that one just below the center of the neck.
Alright. Awesome. Nick, thank you. That was awesome, man. You know, anytime I get a chance to send some long range, you know, I'm always right on it. So where can guys get more information on this?
Yeah, you can swing over to spikestactical.com, see the different options we have as far as configurations, and also we do all Cerakote in-house, so we have almost endless options as far as that goes as well. If you're in the Apopka, Orlando area, swing on in and come build one yourself in the house. So.
Nice. Awesome, man. All right, make sure you guys like and subscribe to keep up with our continued coverage of the Big 3 East Media event here in 2019.